So we're going to take a look at the rewards that are available on Valued Opinions at the moment, just in case you haven't signed up and you wanted to have a quick look. So as soon as you log in, you'll be taken to the dashboard, but along the top, the second menu item is rewards, and if you click on there, we are invited to reward ourselves, and there's currently 17 rewards available. They're currently in roughly three different categories. They've got retailers, so like Amazon and Asda. They've got charity donations, currently to support Ukraine, and a UNICEF donation, and also a virtual MasterCard, which is a prepaid debit card. One of the things that you will notice is with all the retailers, there is now a 50p transaction charge for cashing out for these. So the £15.50 that you exchange from your Valued Opinions account to get to the Amazon.co.uk gift card will actually result in a £15 Amazon gift card. It's the same for All Bar One, Argos, Asda, and all the other retailers. If you do choose the virtual MasterCard, there is a higher payout limit. So with the retails, it tends to be between £10 and £15 usually. But for the virtual MasterCard, you will need £30, but you will get £30 value for that. So if you don't want to pay any transaction fees, the virtual MasterCard is the way to go. Once you have enough money in your Valued Opinions account, you can click on the gift card that you want. It does clarify the transaction fee, so the total cost is £15.50 for a £15 amount. It did used to be free, but they have added this on in the past few years. And you can check out if that is the only card that you're ordering at that time, or you can click add to cart if you want to have multiple gift cards exchanged from your balance if it's high enough. If we scroll down, you can see the charity donations there. They don't include any fees on there, so you can click on there. The full donation does go through to the charity that you choose to support. And there are some quick filters on here. One of the most handiest is the reward amount. So if you've only got a certain amount of money in your account, you can see what you can do. So currently, if I put it on 0 to £7, which is roughly what we can afford at the moment, currently only Support Ukraine is available. As soon as we get to £10.50, many of the other retailers then start coming on. By the time we get to £20, we've pretty much got them all on there. So that's a quick intro to the rewards that are currently available there. Most of the rewards can be used both in store or in the shop as well as online. But do remember when you click through to read the terms and conditions, and it will clarify any restrictions on them. So for the M&S gift card, for example, we can see that it can be redeemed in Marks and Spencer stores in the UK at the moment.